In the last video, we finished the basic command attributes, and we finished with the conditional command attribute. In this video, we're going to start with our parameter attributes. And this first one, we're going to add parameter descriptions. And this description will be displayed in the help command. So we can go ahead here. This is our class from last time. I added descriptions to our methods and our groups here. But I want to add descriptions for our parameters. So here we have this parameter amount. So I can go ahead and create a description attribute here. I can type either description or DESC. And then I'm going to put the health points that you want to add to the player. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for damage. And this time, okay, the health points that you want to remove from the player. Alright, and it's as easy as that. We can go ahead and save and jump over to Unity. I'll go ahead and run the project. Now we will see this description in two places. First, if you type in help, actually we'll go to health and we'll go to like heal. You can see right here, it will tell you this command can be used to heal the player. We already knew that, but now if I hit space, you will see the parameters amount and the health points that you want to add to the player. So we can go ahead and do it like that. The other place you will see it is if you go help, and let's go down to health heal. You will see in here amount and the health points that you want to add to the player. Alright, that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll be covering the valid values attribute.